Have you ever wondered how important legal document delivery in Houston, Texas is? Whether it's a lawsuit, subpoena, or a court summons, ensuring documents are delivered correctly can make or break a case. In this video, we'll uncover why legal document delivery matters, how the process works, and what happens if it's not done properly. Stay tuned to the end to learn how to ensure your legal documents are handled the right way. What is legal document delivery? Legal document delivery, also known as process service, is the official method of delivering court documents to individuals or businesses involved in a legal matter. This service ensures that the recipient is officially notified of legal action. Court's due process requirements are met. Case can proceed without delays or legal challenges. In Houston, Texas, professional process servers handle legal document delivery to ensure compliance with state laws. Who needs legal document delivery? Legal document delivery is essential for firms serving lawsuits, subpoenas, and court notices, businesses notifying clients or partners of legal actions, individuals handling divorce papers, or restraining orders. No matter the case, proper service is critical for legal proceedings to move forward. How legal document delivery works in Houston, Texas. So, how does legal document delivery work? Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Document preparation. The legal papers must be properly prepared and filed with the court. Assigning a process server. A licensed professional is hired to deliver the documents. Delivery attempts. The process server makes multiple attempts to locate and serve the recipient. Alternative service if necessary. If the recipient avoids service, the court may allow delivery via certified mail or public notice. Proof of service. The process server provides an affidavit confirming that the documents were successfully delivered. In Houston, Texas, legal document delivery must follow Texas state laws to ensure validity. What happens if documents aren't delivered? Failure to deliver legal documents properly can have serious consequences. Case delays. If a defendant is not properly served, the case may be postponed. Dismissal of the case. Courts can dismiss lawsuits if service requirements aren't met. Legal consequences. If a person avoids being served, the court can issue alternative service or even default judgments. Hiring a professional legal document delivery service in Houston, Texas, ensures your documents are served correctly and on time. Why hire a professional process server? Using a professional for legal document delivery in Houston, Texas, provides legal compliance. Trained experts ensure documents are served according to Texas law. Efficiency. Faster service means fewer case delays. Proof of service. An official record ensures court acceptance. Avoid legal troubles by hiring experienced process servers who understand the law. Need legal document delivery in Houston, Texas. If you need reliable, fast, and legally compliant legal document delivery in Houston, Texas, trust the professionals. For more legal insights, visit our blog at Houston Process Servers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more legal updates.